Ever wonder why some people make money effortlessly while others struggle for years? The secret isn't luck. It's high-income skills. Skills that companies and businesses will pay you thousands for. If you master just one of these, you can start earning 6 to 7 figures. And in this series, I'll break down exactly how to go from zero to a millionaire step by step. But first, let's start with the foundation. Learning a skill that actually makes you money. Step 1. Pick a high-income skill. 1. Digital marketing. Every business needs leads and customers. If you learn Facebook ads, SEO, email marketing, or social media marketing, you can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client. No degree required. Just skill plus results equals money. 2. Sales and closing. The highest paid people in the world are salespeople. Why? Because every business runs on sales. If you can close deals on calls, you can make $5,000 to $10,000 per month easily. 3. AI automation. Most underrated. Businesses want AI-powered systems to save time and money. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com, and charge businesses for automating their workflows. Big brands pay thousands to automate tasks they don't want to do. 4. Copywriting. Money-making words. Brands live and die by their words. If you can write emails, ads, landing pages, or social media posts that sell, you can charge $100 to $500 per project. Copywriting is essential for ads, sales, and conversions. 5. Software development. High demand. Every business needs apps, websites, and automation. Learning Python, JavaScript, or no-code platforms lets you build SaaS businesses or charge premium rates for projects. Learning a high-income skill is just step 1. But skills alone won't make you rich. You need multiple income streams. Want to know how to turn your skills into multiple sources of money? That's exactly what we'll cover next. So let's get into it. Step 2. Build multiple income streams. Why just one income isn't enough? Most people work one job, one source of income, and that's why they stay broke. The wealthy, they have multiple income streams, so even if one fails, money still flows in. If you want to be a millionaire, you can't rely on just one paycheck. I'll show you exactly how to build multiple income streams, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Freelancing and consulting. If you have a high-income skill, like digital marketing, AI automation, or copywriting, you can sell your services online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can help you land clients. The best part? You control your time and rates, no boss, no limits. 2. Content monetization. You can make money by sharing knowledge and content on YouTube, Twitter, or a blog. Many people start this as a side hustle and later turn it into a full-time business. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell products without holding inventory. Let suppliers handle everything. Great options. Print on demand, gym equipment. Profitable when you combine it with digital marketing skills from step 1. For investing, stocks, crypto, real estate. Once you start making money, don't just save it, grow it. Long-term investing in stocks, crypto, or real estate can multiply your wealth. Example: imagine investing $500 per month in stocks with a 10% return. You'd have over $1 million in 25 years. Alright, now you know how to create multiple income streams. But how do you scale them to make money while you sleep? That's what we'll cover in the next part. How to automate and scale your income so you can make money even when you're not working. Let's go. You've learned how to build multiple income streams, but here's the truth. The only way to become a millionaire is to scale and automate those streams so they make money even when you're not working. Imagine waking up to your bank account growing while you're sleeping. Sounds unreal, right? But it's possible. I'll show you how to do it in this step. Step 3. Scale and automate. Hire people or use AI to reduce workload. When you start making money, you'll quickly realize that time becomes your most valuable asset. Instead of spending hours on tasks that can be automated, hire people or use tools like AI to handle repetitive work. Outsource tasks like content creation, customer support, or ad management. With tools like ChatGPT for content, Zapier for automating workflows, or AI tools for customer service, you can scale quickly. Build a personal brand for credibility. If you want to scale your income, you need a personal brand that people trust. Whether it's through YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn, establish yourself as an expert in your niche. With a strong brand, you can charge premium prices for your services, attract high-paying clients, and even land sponsorships or partnerships. Your brand is your credibility. The stronger it is, the easier it is to scale. Reinvest profits into high ROI assets. Reinvesting your profits is key to scaling. The more you put back into your business or other high-return investments, the quicker you'll grow. This means using profits to buy assets like real estate, stocks, or reinvesting into marketing, automation, and hiring. Always be on the lookout for high ROI opportunities that compound your wealth. Now that you know how to scale and automate your income, you're almost there. But here's the most crucial part to becoming a millionaire: managing your money. Mastering money management will separate you from the rest and take your wealth to the next level. In the next part, I'll show you how to make your money work for you. All right, you've built multiple income streams, scaled them to make money while you sleep, and now it's time to learn the most important step of all: mastering money management. This is where the real difference happens. You could make millions, but if you don't know how to manage that money, you'll lose it all. In this part, I'm going to show you the secrets to keeping, growing, and multiplying your wealth. Step 4. Master money management. Save and invest at least 50% of your income. The most important rule of becoming a millionaire is to save and invest. Save at least 50% of your income and invest it into assets that will grow over time, like stocks, real estate, or your own business. Compound interest is a millionaire's best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more your money will grow. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you start earning more, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle: new cars, fancy dinners, bigger homes. But remember, wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means and focus on investing your extra income. The key is to make your money work for you rather than spending it on temporary pleasures. The wealthiest people focus on assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket: real estate, stocks, investments, businesses. Liabilities are things that take money out: luxury cars, credit card debt, unnecessary expenses. Focus on building assets and minimizing liabilities. This is how you create long-term wealth. Now you know how to manage your money like a millionaire. But here's the truth. It's all about consistency and patience. This journey takes time, but if you stick to the plan, the results will come. In the next part, I'll show you how to stay on track and stay focused to reach your millionaire goals. Let's go! You've learned how to build multiple income streams, scale them, and manage your money. But here's the reality check. Becoming a millionaire isn't an overnight journey. It's all about consistency and patience. Want to know how long it really takes to become financially free? In this part, I'm going to break down the exact timeline to help you stay on track and build wealth that lasts. Stick with me, and let's go! Step 5. Be consistent and patient. 1 year equals learning and testing. The first year is all about learning and testing. You'll be learning high-income skills, testing different strategies, and figuring out what works for you. This is the phase of trial and error. You might fail a few times, but every failure is just a step toward success. The key here is to learn as much as you can and get comfortable with uncertainty. 3 years equals scaling and automation. By the 3-year mark, you should be in scaling mode, optimizing, automating, and reinvesting your profits. You'll start to see your income grow, and at this point, your focus should be on making your business run with minimal effort from you. Automation will help you earn money even when you're not actively working, and this is the stage where your business can start making money while you sleep. 5 years equals financial freedom. If you've been consistent for 5 years, you're on your way to financial freedom. By this point, your investments and multiple income streams should be generating passive income, and you should have more than enough to live on without working full-time. Financial freedom is the goal, but remember, it all comes down to consistency and being patient. Start today. Your millionaire journey begins now. What's your plan? Drop a comment below with your game plan or what you're focusing on right now. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Share this with a friend who's really ambitious to become a millionaire. And let me know which part of this video you loved the most. Keep pushing forward and remember, consistency is the key.